Hi everybody. So before I talk to you about if I achieved my goals, I'd like to tell you what my goals were in the beginning of the course. My 3 goals were to make strong points in speaking to an audience, to use more gestures when speaking, and to learn how to use the space more when speaking to an audience. I feel that I accomplished my first goal in many ways. For example, in my persuasive speech, I stated that it is over 20 times the amount that science received over the arts. Yes, I understand science is important, but is it 20 times more important? I was also successful in my informative speech when I was talking about Khalid and the amazing amount of albums that he sold, making a point that he is a very successful artist. I personally think that I could still work on using the space more when giving a speech. One of the ways I could improve on using the space is by using skills that I have learned by performing in theatrical productions. For example, when I gave my persuasive speech, I stood in one spot while I delivered my speech when I could have moved around more and engaged the audience. One way I will continue to refine my public skills beyond this course is by participating in the One Acts Festival and performing monologues in order to get more practice with speaking in front of an audience. I will also continue on working on making strong points, using gestures, inflection, and using vocal cues. The most useful information I'm taking away from this course is how important eye contact is when speaking to an audience and making sure the audience feels involved with the speech itself. The reason I think this is important is because the reason I think this is the most useful information I learned from this course is a speech doesn't matter if you can't get the audience's attention and the audience doesn't feel engaged. And also, I'd like to congratulate you, Jordan, because every time I watch you speak, I always feel engaged because of your sense of humor. And I think you should keep using your sense of humor because it always keeps the audience engaged. Thank you.